Hey there, my name's Leone and I'm the owner and operator of LB Art. We're located in the Western United States and I'm here to talk to you about my split M7 100 watt MOPA made by ComMarker. I'm going to walk you through some projects and tell you a little bit about what I do with this machine. Let's take a real quick look at the machine. Here we have the laser module. It's the upper part of the machine, and down here is the brains and the power source, and they're separated because I do a lot of metal cutting and it produces a lot of dust, and this protects the power source. Okay, let's run through one of my other favorite uses for this machine, and that would be for my business cards. I used anodized aluminum. I've got the file all set up here. Let's see, I've already got the focus set. I'm going to show you really quickly what I do here. I use a ComMarker ruler, and I have it marked for the lenses that I use, so focusing is super quick and easy. All right, let's go back over here. And we're going to frame. We're going to hit our frame button, come over and look at our card, and there you go. All right, let's hit the start button. Alright, how cool is that? One anodized aluminum business card. See how pretty those are? Alright, let's look at a few completed projects. These are sterling silver. You can see a hibiscus, and a rose, another rose, another rose. I might be a little obsessed with roses. This is one of my favorites, a nice little turtle set. Here we have some uncompleted projects I'm still working on. You can see the bees at the bottom, cobra, hearts, eagle. Then we get into, everybody loves these coins. I do them for fun. I don't market them at this time, but they are a fun little way to practice your 3D engraving. And here we have a minimalist wallet. I love designing and doing these. They're so much fun. You can do so many things with them. I do custom keychains out of brass. You can see this is our logo. And then of course, here's the sign we just did. And here's a little dog tag with a photo on it. These are also fun. Well, that's it for today, folks. I hope you enjoyed the video and maybe got some inspiration. Head on over to ComMarker.com and look at their machines. They have more than just fiber. This is my particular interest as I enjoy making jewelry, but your interest may be in something else. They have everything. Take a look and see what you think. Have a good day.